take two because I didn't hit record and I already did this once, but I wanted to show you guys this simple yet elegant trellis that I built. Very inexpensive, especially if you have scrap wood around in the garden, because that's basically what I use. Now I wish I can give you all the directions, the tutorial, the DIY, the plans and all that, but we have tons of gardening books in the house, and I was flipping through some and I saw something that I absolutely love, which is the same for the entrance here. And we just take inspiration from everywhere, and this was an inspiration piece that I took and I made it my own. So best way I can describe it is I had some 1x2s that I built a frame. Now it's all going to depend on how big your bed is, how big you want the frame, but I built a square frame. And then I put some diagonal pieces here where I cut some 45-degree angles, so you have two diagonals, one on top, one on the bottom. You can't see that one because the tomatoes grow in there. And then what I did was I tacked some nails every so often, just measure it out. And then on the bamboo shoots, now this is a little bit tedious because one end of the bamboo shoot is really, really skinny, but I used a drill bit to drill a little bit deeper so I can just slip those right over the nails. And these are very flexible, so you can bend them and fit them over the nails. And this is what we ended up with. You got the diagonal ones here and there on the bottom. And we absolutely love the way it came out. Now the reason I did this right here, because you can see all that back there. Now it's necessary for every house, but it's ugly to look at, especially here in the kitchen garden. So these tiny Texas tomatoes will grow about 12 feet long. Hopefully they'll fill this out and I don't have to stare at that when I come to the kitchen garden, but we wanted something to really hold that up and stabilize these tomatoes. But absolutely love it. All I did was put in the back, tack it in there, made sure it was level, tacked it right here to the bed in the center. Absolutely looks beautiful. Angie loves it. I love it. It's elegant, but again, like I said, so simple to build. I would say if you went and bought all the products, you can probably do it for less than $30, maybe even cheaper if you have some of the stuff like nails and some extra bamboo shoots. It's very inexpensive, like I said, but just wanted to share that with you guys because I love the way it came out, and I'm thinking that some of you may have an interest in building something this simple for your garden. So like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.